This is gonna be interesting. It's a butterfly leg, but the glass broke too. Like, that's not where it broke. Right around here somewhere. Like there. Yeah, let's go to the middle. But yeah. Pretty normal, but definitely lacking the normal spikes of the other animals, other bugs. The dragonfly, no, I didn't see a dragonfly leg. The fly leg had those little hooks at the bottom, and then, you know, the wing had spikes going off it. But the spider, the daddy long leg spider, had the spikes going up along the entire leg. You know, this one's a little less there. It's just sort of rounded out and smooth. Strange. I mean, I guess, you know, with butterflies, they're going to be landing on flowers and stuff like that. They don't want to get attached to the flower, because then they try to fly away. Either they get stuck, or the flower comes with them, and they don't really want to kill their source of food, so it makes sense. I mean, if you had a whole bunch of, like, every time a butterfly went to a flower, it died, then yeah, we just wouldn't have flowers anymore, really, if you think about it. So I'm pretty sure butterflies eat nectar, right? I mean, I guess bees would kind of fulfill the other purpose too, but butterflies are still in there. Apparently, it was not originally called a butterfly. Like, this is just, I'm not sure this is true. If it's wrong, please tell me, because yeah. But apparently, it's actually a flutterby. But then there's some miscommunication. It turned into butterfly, and that's stuck. Which actually makes more sense, because they do flutter and they do go by stuff. But butter, what does that have to do with butter? Speaking of which, this is really off topic. Apparently, the reason it's called a computer bug is because the first one was a moth. In one of the real early computers, they had vacuum tubes and stuff like that. Well, anyway, a vacuum tube, where like the computer started malfunctioning because there was a moth in a vacuum tube, and yeah, it's interesting. It's also really interesting to learn about the original computers because they certainly, I got distracted. They worked a lot different than modern computers. And it's interesting to see the path that computers as a whole took to get to where they are now. Great, it froze. But yeah, I don't. It's weird because like the entire leg is just less spiky and less like. See, there's some little things right there and some like right there, but look at the foreleg. Or not the foreleg. Wait, is it foreleg? You know what? In mammalian terms, look at the thigh. No, it's not foreleg because that would be yeah. Okay. Yeah. But look at the top of the leg, which is actually the bottom because it's upside down. But you get the idea. If it doesn't freeze, and there's a fly kind of trying to land on the darn slide anyway. But yeah, never seen this. Like, never seen something this rounded out when it comes to bugs. I mean, I know bug is not the official term because there are two bugs in like, it's the assassin bug and the something else. No, but like insects and arthropods. That's not normal. I don't know why. But yeah, it's interesting. So if you do know why, like they have like with butterflies, can you not freeze computer? If you know why butterflies at the bottom of their legs have spikes, you know, the here and there, but the top they don't have any, or if you have a theory, please post in the comments because I'm curious. So yeah, you have a little bit of a thing right there, but almost looks like a hand. That's creepy. Like, can't you see that looking like a hand? Doesn't it look like there's like a hand holding something? Like a thumb and like 3 fingers? That's creepy. Yeah. Yeah. And that's a butterfly leg. Oh, it's a whole mount, too. Just want to clarify.